Okay, guys, it is going to be another beautiful day for each and every one of us today. We will be checking out this particular asset together and see what we are most likely to get from this particular chart. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so this particular asset, just like you guys have known, I love the trend trading strategy. Okay, because it makes it very easy for us to make reasonable profit from here. Okay, so you just need to get it right, and once you are able to get it right, you are most likely to be making profit on daily basis. Okay, so just the way we have seen this had been on downtrend right from here, and you can see it kept on selling till it got to this region. Okay, um in case you are asking the exact charts or the exact assets I'm analyzing. Okay, this is PNX 999, and of course I'm on 15-minute time frame. And if you should notice, this had been on a very strong downtrend. Let's check it out. You can see that it's been more of a downtrend. What this is when it started the downtrend fully, and of course it's been more of a downtrend since then till we have it at this point. Okay, but if you should notice at this particular support zone, it got there, had this pullback and stopped at this trend line and came down again, still unable to break out from the support zone, and it is heading towards the trend line. Okay, so and you can see it got there at this point also, so that is why I have to draw this trend line. Okay, so if it breaks out above this trend line, then definitely it's going to buy till it gets to this region. Okay, you should get it right. It's going to buy till it gets to this region, and if it breaks out from this particular um, horizontal line, then it will buy till it gets to this particular horizontal line. Okay, so this is very, very important, but first it needs to break out above this particular trend line before it can get to this region. This is 15-minute time frame, so trading from here to here is a lot, and of course if it breaks out from here, then getting to this region is also a lot. Okay, so at this point then we can easily say that it is going to an uptrend fully, most especially once it breaks out from here, and definitely it should get to this particular spot easily. You can see that. Okay, of course there will be pullback in between, but at least it will be more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and that is what you should know. Okay, so I'm going to delete let me delete this. Okay, so that we have a clear picture of what we are doing right here. Okay, so first, once it breaks out above this horizontal line, I mean above this trend line, it should get to this horizontal line, and if it breaks out above this, it should get to this particular horizontal line, and immediately it breaks out above this, then we should know that we are in for a full uptrend. Okay, then definitely it should get to this and definitely gets to this. This is very, very important, and do not forget to also apply your stop loss. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, do not forget to also apply your stop loss each time you are placing a trade. Okay, so I believe that with this little explanation on Paynex 99, you will be able to analyze your assets better, and you already know the right decision to take by doing that. Okay, so let me quickly give us a quick recap on what we have learned today. The first thing is to identify the trend your asset or the chart is. Okay, and of course the next thing is to check if it's coming from the support zone or the resistance zone. Okay, then the next thing is to check out the chart formation. You can see this is the chart formation we are getting. This is trying to create a big W pattern, but we needed to break out above this trend line first before it will go fully into it. Okay, so that is why we are waiting for it to come up above this trend line, and once it comes up above it, then it's going to be a good buy from there till it gets to this region, and if it breaks out above it, then we are targeting this region, okay? And if it breaks out above this, then definitely we should know that we are in for a good uptrend at that particular point, okay? So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.